And I'm Kim.
I'm Rex.
Prim.
Jack.
It looks like you have a chicken foot or something on your head.
Hey, I got chicken foot.
Or an upside down heart.
Mhm.
Chicken foot.
Mhm.
You can do lots of things with your hair.
I can do that. I can do that. I can do that. I can do that. I can do that.
Go. That looks nice. Hey, is that a Bieber cut? Justin Bieber?
Who's that?
Oh, come on.
I heard of him. I'm serious.
A singer?
Yeah, that helps. That narrows it down.
Yeah. Remember that one where sorry and he like broke up with that girl and she still hits his phone up? You know, because we used to sing it.
Nah, I don't remember.
If you love yourself that much or something. I don't remember the words, but we always sing it. No, he has like tattoos and stuff and he's married. Yeah. What singers do you know? Luke Bryan?
Who's that?
Blake Shelton?
Might have heard of him.
Taylor Swift?
I think.
Justin Timberlake?
Justin who?
The Troll?
Oh, I know the troll person. I don't know who he actually is. Just know him as a troll. Him as an old greasy troll with long hair.
Alrighty then.
Most music I listen to is just sound, no talking.
Oh, you knocked yourself out. Oh, no, you don't.
I'm not doing that. I'm putting it sideways.
What do you mean?
Oh.
Ow. What are you trying to do? Ow.
I hit your ear.
That's... Booby.
No, I'm not hitting you there.
He punched me in the booby.
No,
Side boob.
slow that in the stomach.
Ribs?
Yeah.
Side? Stomach?
Organ.
An organ?
Yeah.
Like a piano organ?
No, like an organ.
Oh.
I'm gonna knock you out. Segment.
Cut it out. Oh, Bob Saget died. Danny Tanner. Sad. Hope his wife and kids are okay. Oh, my neck popped. Did you hear that?
Your what did?
Neck.
Did you hear that?
Yes. Look what you're doing to me. Wow. Wow. Yes, I'm a looker.
Uh-huh.
Did you cut my hair to look like this?
No.
What happened?
I don't know.